Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make a special cooking activity and we're going to make some pumpkin spice snow. And we're going to need to use some bowl, fork, and a half a cup I just poured in the bowl, and I also a tablespoon I poured in there too with the water. And now we're going to take a pumpkin spice cone and put it inside the bowl. And we're going to take a fork and stir it. But also, they said to pre-oven the oven for 375 degrees through the entire day. So you mix and you stir it thoroughly with a fork until it gets a dough. And you add additional water from 1 teaspoon at a time until it gets really soft and make it to become more like a dough clay. And then we put it in the little pan. And I put a little bit of olive oil. Just a little. So third we're going to stir it up. As you see, it's turning to a dough. Now we're going to put a little bit of 1 teaspoon so it can make more dough. And we're going to use a water bottle, it's more fresh. As we keep doing it until it's still dry, put 1 teaspoon again. Keep stirring it until we make it to a dough. Dough clay. More like that. And it's a pumpkin flavor season. Good for the season. We need a little bit more water because it's getting harder. Now it's better. I'll be right back. Sorry, the background noise. Now I'm back. So as you see, it's turning to make a dough. See? Yummy. Okay, so stay tuned for part 2. Bye everyone.